Hi, welcome to Tips and Tricks Taste of Thursday at Honda Public Library. Have you ever ran out of pickles and wondered what you could do with that pickle juice? Well, here's a tip. You just put some chicken thighs or chicken breast in a bag, pour that pickle juice in there, zip that closed, let that marinate for about 30 minutes, and then go ahead and cook your chicken. And it will be super moist, and it will not taste like pickles. Okay, now you also can whip up some scrambled eggs in a coffee cup and cook it in the microwave. So we will spray the cup with the pan spray. Mix the eggs, salt and pepper, onion powder, little splash of milk, and put it in the cup that you sprayed. Put it in the microwave and cook it at 30-second intervals until it's done. You can stick a knife in there and cut across it and make sure there's no liquid of the egg left. And then we can top it with avocado, tomatoes, green pepper, cheese, bacon, whatever you want, whatever you like. So I'll be back. Okay, we whipped 2 eggs with some salt and pepper and onion powder and a cup. We sprayed the cup first. We cook it in the microwave at 30-second intervals. It took 3 of those, and it puffs up real nice like this. And then you can put cheese, bacon, avocado, tomatoes, anything you want to put on it, onions, whatever you like. Now we're going to make a egg in a ring, a pepper ring today. And here's an egg cooked in a pepper circle. You can do that with any vegetable. Put an egg in it and fry it in the circle. Okay, back to those chicken pieces that we put the pickle juice on. Then I'm going to cook them in a little bit of butter, onion powder, salt, pepper, and my most favorite spice in the whole world, mesquite seasoning. Oh, you're going to love it. Try it. See you next time.